Hey everybody, just a quick review on this Phixton LED tactical flashlight that I got off Amazon. It's very cheap, it was only 20 bucks. Comes in this case. And it comes with the charger, charging cord, USB, and here's the flashlight. Uh, 18650 battery. And the flashlight also inside, if you don't want to use an 18650 battery, it has this cartridge where you can use 3 AAA batteries. I'm going to charge this battery up, put it together, and see how this works. Okay, I'm fully charged. I'm using the plastic sleeve to go around the 18650 battery. Put that in there, positive end first, and you don't need that plastic sleeve if you're using this cartridge for the 3 AAAs. But this has an O-ring around it to keep moisture out. This can't be submerged, but it will keep the rain out. So you can use this out in the rain. And there it's nice and tight. And here's a look at the light all the way around. You have the on and off switch. And here's a charging port right here if you want to charge the flashlight as it is, and it has the plug to stop water from getting in there. And then yeah, it has this adjustable beam like that, and I'll show you that in a second. Okay, now I'll show you the 5 different modes that this has. To turn it on, just hit the switch, and this is the brightest mode right here. And to switch modes, all I do is, you don't have to press the button all the way in, I just lightly tap it and it'll go to the next dimmest mode. Tap it again. Mode number 3, which is the lowest mode. Tap it again and it'll go into strobe. That will blind anybody coming at you. And then tap it again. Whoops. And we have SOS mode. So if you're on a ship somewhere, stranded in the ocean, and there's vultures flying around you, the plane will find you with this. Now for the adjustable beam, you just slide this back and forth, and it'll make a small spotlight beam or a wide beam to light up the whole area. And I'll go outside and show you that right now. Okay, here we are outside, and this is the brightest mode. And you can see how you can adjust the angle of the beam. It lights up a big area. And I'll go down to a lesser bright. Even less. And the crazy strobe. And then SOS. Very nice. Back to bright. Well, as you saw outside, it did a nice job lighting up the whole area and pinpointing a certain area if you want it extra concentrated. But this is well made, all aluminum, and it's a little bit heavy, but well constructed, and that's what counts. You can probably drop it from maybe 5 feet or so without breaking it. Anyway, good flashlight, budget flashlight for 20 bucks off Amazon. That's all. Hope you enjoyed the review. Take care, everybody.